comments on videos and channels on the same niche. Do that and you'll climb in the rankings due to high quality backlinks, increased authority, and the traffic that trickles to you through clicks. And you know what? Tubetraffic lets you automate the entire strategy. For example, here are some videos that we've got in a Tubetraffic group. Now, we're using Tubetraffic to leave automated comments. It works in the background, leaving comments on these videos, something like this. And you get traffic, endless traffic, as long as you want. Let's check out how it works. Tubetraffic is divided into two segments, harvesting and interacting. In the harvest sections, we have harvest users, harvest videos, and in interaction, we have channel interaction and video interaction. Now, harvesters let you collect all the data. You get relevant channels and videos from YouTube that you can comment on. It's great. The interaction parts are the bits where you actually go ahead and leave the comments. So let me show you the full power now of each section. All right, in the harvest users, we have 5 ways to get new users to the software. The first is add a user manually, which you could use if you want to add a specific one. Next, we have find from keywords, which actually goes out and finds channels connected to any keyword. Then we have harvest YouTube pages, which lets you actually harvest videos from any YouTube URL. And then harvest from tops, which gets channels from YouTube top feeds. Think about that. And finally, you can see a list of all the users harvested. Now, in harvest videos, there are 6 ways to collect videos. First is add a video manually. Then find videos for a particular channel. You could also find videos for keywords. Get videos from any YouTube URL. You could get them from top feeds and finally see a list of harvested videos. We have 3 options. Subscribe, so we can subscribe to all the channels we collected. It's like the old Twitter strategy. You know, I follow you, you follow me. Then we have share video, using which we can share a video URL with the channels we've harvested. And finally, we have post comments. Now, using which we can post the comment on the channels themselves. So you can actually leave comments on all the channels you've collected. Next, we have video interactions. In video interactions, we have 3 options. First, to harvest the users from the comments on a video, and this is a great idea if you want to grab very relevant users who are watching a particular video. Then to get related videos, if you want to find more videos that's targeting the same niche as the video you've collected, and finally post comments that you can use to post comments on the videos that you've collected. Tubetraffic lets you manage the gaps between videos, and you can do that using the settings. Everything that you do in Tubetraffic is a task, and all the tasks created can run in the background while you work on something else. These tasks add up and run sequentially when you hit the play button. This is fantastic automation that leads to big results.